Namaskar. I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. The voting trends in Maharashtra witnessing history as the BJP becomes the first party since 1990 to lead in over 100 seats. The ruling Mahayuti alliance is on track for a landslide victory, surpassing the 200 seat mark. Maharashtra's polling was held in single phase on November 20th. Though counting is yet to be completed, the ruling alliance is set to return to power with a considerable mandate. In Maharashtra, five exit polls, Mattress, People's Pulse, Chanakya Strategies, Times Now JVC, and Poll Diary have predicted a lead for the BJP-led alliance. Meanwhile, three others, Dainik Bhaskar, P-Mark, and Lokshahi Marathi Rudra, predicted a hung assembly. Maharashtra's 288 seats and Jharkhand's 81 seats are starting to paint a clear picture now. Amid this, the most significant discussion revolves around which prominent leaders have emerged victorious and the status of hotly contested seats. While Maharashtra seems to be heading towards BJP-led Mahayuti, the BJP's planning in Jharkhand appears to have fallen short. Majority equations aside, let's take a closer look at how key players fared in these elections in Maharashtra and Jharkhand. Nagpur Southwest. Starting with Maharashtra's 288 assembly seats in the Nagpur Southwest constituency, former Chief Minister and current Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has won for the fourth time, defeating Congress leader Praful Patil. Kopri Panchpakri. In the Kopri Panchpakri constituency, Shiv Sena leader and Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde defeated his political mentor's nephew Kedar Dighe, who contested on Shiv Sena UBT ticket. Baramati. In Baramati, a stronghold of the Pawar family, Ajit Pawar defeated both the Sharad Pawar-led NCP and his nephew Yugendra Pawar. In Sakoli, BJP's Avinash Brahmankar has defeated Congress's Nana Patole. Worli Assembly seat saw a triangular contest where Uddhav Thackeray's Shiv Sena candidate Aditya Thackeray faced Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena candidate and former Union Minister Milind Deora, along with MNS leader Raj Thackeray. Aditya Thackeray managed to retain the seat. In Latur, former Chief Minister Vilas Rao Deshmukh's elder son Amit Deshmukh contested on a Congress ticket, defeated BJP's Archana Patil, daughter-in-law of former Union Home Minister Shivraj Patil. Bandra East. In Bandra East, Zishan Siddiqui, who left Congress to join Ajit Pawar's NCP, faced a tough battle against Uddhav Thackeray's nephew Varun Sardesai from Shiv Sena's UBT. In Anushakti Nagar, heavyweight Nawab Malik's daughter Sana Malik, representing Ajit Pawar's NCP, defeated actor Swara Bhaskar's husband Fahad Ahmed. Then Doshi was another notable constituency in Mumbai. Here Sanjay Nirupam, who returned to Shiv Sena from Congress, is leading, while Uddhav Thackeray's Shiv Sena candidate Sunil Prabhu was trailing. As vote counting progresses for Jharkhand's 81 assembly constituencies, the JMM-led alliance is leading in 58 seats, while the NDA is ahead in 24. Within the India bloc, the JMM leads in 34 seats, the Congress in 70, the RJD in 5, and the CPI-ML is leading in 1 seat and has secured the Nirsa seat. The JMM has garnered widespread acclaim. Despite the BJP's mockery labeling them Bunty or Bubbly, the efforts of Hemant and Kalpana Soren have proven successful. The duo conducted nearly 200 election rallies, with Kalpana, a newly elected legislator, after her husband's arrest earlier this year, playing a pivotal role in the campaign. Now let's move to Jharkhand and see how the prominent leaders fared there. Outgoing Chief Minister Hemant Soren has emerged victorious in Barhet Assembly seat. In Gandhi, his wife Kalpana Soren defeated BJP's Bunia Devi. Champai Soren, who left JMM for BJP, achieved a significant victory in Saraikela constituency, defeating JMM's Ganesh Mahali. In Dhanwar, BJP veteran Babulal Marandi is leading. On the other hand, BJP Sita Murmu faced a major setback from INC's Irfan Ansari in Jamtara. For more such interesting updates, stay connected with Rhythm, like the video and subscribe to the channel.